Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the Samsung Galaxy A71 is a really successful device from Samsung. Now the Samsung Galaxy A72 case mod has revealed its design after the success of the Galaxy A71 and its 5G counterpart. Samsung is expected to follow up with the Galaxy A72. The device already appeared in a detailed render as well as a Geekbench listing, and the latest leak give us a look at the aluminum case mold of the phone. So as you can see, these are some images of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A72 case mold. We can see the back will feature a sizable camera island with a 5 cutout throw. We are only expected 4 camera sensor based on the past reports and latest leaks. The main shooter will come in a 64 megapixel and it will join it by the 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor and two 5 megapixel snapper for a macro snaps and a deep data. The USB Type-C port and a headphone jack sits at the bottom next to the speaker, as you can see in these images, and a microphone cutout. The power and a volume button are located on the right hand side of the device. Past specification leaks suggest that the Samsung Galaxy A72, the upcoming smartphone, will pack a 6.7-inch, which is I think is a big display with an embedded fingerprint reader, a Snapdragon 720G chipset paired with 8 gigs of RAM option, will boot Android 11 out of the box. The 4G version of the Samsung Galaxy A72 is expected to retail around price tag a €450 to €500 in Europe, while the 5G variant should come in at least €550 to €600 mark. We are expecting that the Galaxy A72 to launch in a March in least a 4 color option, including black, blue, white and a violet color. So this is the latest update about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A72. We have seen some render of these upcoming Samsung Galaxy A72 device, and now we have seen the case mold. So let me know in the comment section, are you waiting this mid-range smartphone, or let me know in the comment section. And also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out and bye.